Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make a homemade lasagna soup. Lasagna is a comfort food in many homes. Turning it into a soup gives you all of those delicious flavors with a lot less fuss. This combines the meat, sauce, noodles, and of course that cheesy goodness into the perfect soup. To start, we're going to get a large pot and put it over medium-high heat and add in 2 pounds of Italian sausage. When picking out that sausage, you can choose anywhere from mild to hot, so pick out what works for you. This needs to cook until the sausage has browned up. Be sure to break that up as it cooks, which will take about 8 to 10 minutes. If there is excess grease, go ahead and spoon that out. Into our pot, we're going to add in 1 medium diced onion. Saute that alongside that sausage until that onion becomes more translucent. Now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of freshly minced garlic, which is about 5 cloves. In my world, we measure garlic with our hearts. Is this too much or not enough garlic? Let me know what you think in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe. Let it saute alongside that for another 2 minutes until that becomes more fragrant. And then we're going to reduce that to low and add to that 4 cups of low sodium beef broth, 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, and 2 15-ounce cans of diced tomatoes. And if you're lucky to have a grocery store that has a variety of canned tomatoes, you can always choose a fire roasted tomato for added flavor. Now we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 bay leaves. Give this a stir and bring that to a simmer for 15 minutes. To make this a true lasagna soup, we're going to use lasagna noodles. Go ahead and break those into 4 or 5 pieces and add to your soup those broken lasagna noodles. And cook those until they are al dente, which will depend on the type of noodle you use, so make sure you follow the package instructions. While our noodles are cooking, let's work on that cheesy goodness topping. My favorite part of any lasagna is that cheesy layer, so this is really important. In a bowl, we're going to start off with 16 ounces of ricotta cheese. You could also substitute that for cottage cheese. And add to that 1 cup of shredded mozzarella and 1 cup of grated parmesan cheese. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Mix this all together until it's well combined. Now that our noodles are al dente, which is perfectly cooked, dish yourself up a bowl and top it with a large spoonful of that creamy cheesy topping. This soup is best served hot. Those noodles will continue to soften, so if you don't plan on eating it right away, what I recommend is cook the noodles separately and add them in right when you're ready to eat. And you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.